Picture the ultimate summer party, but you have to leave your clothes at the door. Let's dive into this explainer. A local naturist open house might seem like simple, quirky fun, but there's actually a profound psychological history here.
Take this VanTan open house. To figure out why people flock here, we gotta rewind to 1967.
Psychologist Paul Bendrum pioneered nude psychotherapy. He saw massive, rapid breakthroughs, but eventually hit some brutal career roadblocks. Bendrum figured shedding clothes helped patients shed emotional defenses, letting their true identities surface without all that fear. This built on the idea of somatic armor, basically the concept that our physical tension actually mirrors our psychological walls. But things got sensationalized. Defamation lawsuits and moral outrage sparked this incredibly swift and tense professional backlash. Despite that total dead end, modern biology shows Bendrum's core idea about the unarmored self was actually spot on. Fast forward to a recent London clinical trial. 51 folks were split into clothed and naked socializing groups. The results? Totally wild. Dr. Keon found the naked group experienced significantly higher body appreciation and lower anxiety. Seeing real, diverse bodies updates our distorted self-image. It literally calms down our brain's neurological threat response. Polyvagal theory explains this perfectly. Communal safety triggers our ventral vagal system, creating deep, calming social connections. So, who's leading this cultural resurgence today? You'd probably assume it's mostly older generations, right? Actually, the data completely flips that. A massive 55% of Gen Z has embraced casual naturism. Raised on digital filters and lockdowns, younger folks are using social nudity as proactive mental wellness. They aren't just joining traditional clubs. They're building safe, non-sexual communities to find truly authentic human connection. Because removing the literal barrier of clothing allows our skin to facilitate this deeply calming somatic resonance. This unarmored state actually maximizes your body's natural capacity for stress recovery and true physiological harmony. So what seems like a quirky event is actually a profoundly effective, biologically validated public health intervention. Which brings us right back to VanTan. It's literally an invitation to step out of your armor. The science is fascinating. The only question left for you is, are you ready to explore?